India has issued an area warning for a range of 215 kilometers for 5th and 6th of January 2021 for conducting a test from an Indian Navy ship in the Arabian Sea, and this might be the test of the Klub anti-ship cruise missile, which have a maximum range of 300 kilometers and were cleared for older ships of the Indian Navy like Kora-class corvettes and Delhi-class frigates, while the newer ships have been equipped with 450 kilometers range BrahMos anti-ship missiles. India is planning for the operational deployment of the 8,000 kilometers range AGNI-5 nuclear-capable ballistic missile in 2021, and as per latest reports, a pre-induction trial will be conducted by the Strategic Forces Command by March 2021. The AGNI-5 will receive MIRV capability and can carry a maximum of 10 payloads. The DRDO has been tight-lipped about the 12,000 kilometers AGNI-6, and it suggests that the final decision to reveal the AGNI-6 will be a political one, and it might be a strategic decision to not disclose the AGNI-6. After the Indian Navy's order for SMASH-2000 plus systems, the vice president of the Israeli defense firm has said that the company is looking to establish a manufacturing facility in India and is eyeing more contracts from the Border Security Force for anti-drone operations and the Indian Army for counter-operations. He also said that the company is committed to comply with all Indian requirements and regulations as part of the Make in India program, and as Smart Shooter owns the entire intellectual property of the system, so there will be no issue in transferring the technology to India. The central government currently holds 54% stake in Bharat Earth Movers Limited, and it has now invited preliminary bids for 26% strategic stake sale in the public sector company, which is engaged in manufacturing and supply of construction and defense equipment. The centre has collected 12,225 crore rupees through stake sales, and has set a target of 2.1 trillion rupees for 2021. Officials of Turkey and Pakistan held a high-level military dialogue on 23 December 2020, and while the official statement said that they discussed joint defense production, but experts believe that the meeting was about sharing nuclear and missile technologies between the two countries, as the Turkish president has requested Pakistan Army chief for sharing nuclear technology to fulfill his geopolitical aspirations, and Pakistan has agreed to the arrangement to gain access to Turkish drone technology, and this development is seen as a major concern for India. Chinese media has reported that its Harbin Z-20 helicopter, which is known to be a direct copy of the USS-70 Black Hawk, will be deployed in combat missions and will carry KD-10 new generation anti-tank guided missiles. The KD-10 makes use of semi-active laser guidance and has a range of 6.5 kilometers and are considered to be in the same class as the American AGM-114 Hellfire.
Omar dropped it.